students. How are you all? I am your English teacher Ishwari from St. Anthony's Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Sagutai. Last class we saw Unit 3, Prose Robinson Crusoe. Now we are going to see Standard 4, English, Unit 3, Time for a Journey, page number 127. Let us build. Now we are going to see the grammar part. The grammar part, syllable. What is meant by syllable? You know the syllable? Each and every words we want to be use the syllable. We can pronounce easily. So we want to be stress the word. That is called syllable. Okay, வா எப்படி நம்ம அந்த வேர்டை ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா அந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் வந்து டிவைட் பண்றது தான் நம்ம சிலபிள்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, first circle the vowel letters. You know the vowel letters? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. So you can see the letters. You want to circle only the vowels. So A is a vowel letter, so you can circle. C no, D no. I is a vowel letter, you know, so you can circle the vowel letter I. Next, F no vowel letter. Then O is a vowel letter, so you can circle O. Then E also the vowel letter, so you can circle E. H not vowel. So how many letters are vowels? 5 letters. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Next, circle the consonant letters. Alphabetical letters, how many letters are alphabetical letters? 26 letters. So you can skip the 5 letter vowel, means the remaining 21 letters are consonants. Like except the 5 letters, the remaining 21 letters are consonants. So circle the consonant letter in the given letters, in the given alphabetical letters. P is a consonant, so you can circle P. R also consonant, so you can circle R. L consonant letter, so you can circle L. O is not consonant, O is a vowel letter, so you don't circle O. Then J is a consonant, so you can circle J. S is a consonant, so you can circle S. A is not consonant, so you can don't circle it. K also the consonant, you can circle K. I is a vowel letter, so you don't circle I. Then Y is a consonant, so you can circle Y. D also the consonant, you can circle D. Q also the consonant, you can circle Q. So what vowels we can learn about this vowel and consonant? So we want to follow some of the tips. Okay, how can we divide the words? We can use the syllable. Okay, so how can we use the word a syllable? A syllable is marked by the symbol slash. How can you mark the syllable in the word? The slash. You put the slash. Okay, then what purpose we can use the syllable? Already I taught you. We divide the words to pronounce them easier. To pronounce them easier. You want to pronounce the word difficult means you can skip the letters and you understand the pronounce very easily. Okay, next, here are some tips to divide. So tips 1. If there is only one vowel, we cannot divide. One word has only one vowel means you don't divide that word, no syllables. Okay, for example, cat. The cat has only one vowel A. So you don't divide this word any syllables. Okay, the word this word having only one vowel. Okay, so dog. This word also having only one vowel. So you don't divide this word. Then fox. Fox also having only one vowel letter O. So you don't divide this word also. Then mud. Mud is only one vowel letter U. So you don't divide this word. Then pan. So pan is only one vowel letter. So you don't divide this word also. So what is this meaning? The word has only one vowel means you don't divide that word using any symbols. Okay, next go to second tips. If the middle consonants are double, we divide in between the double. What is this meaning? You know the consonant letters. One word having the double consonants in between the double consonant. The B is a consonant letter. Okay, or double. The B repeat another one time. So this one consonant, this one consonant. So one word having the double consonant letters, the place of between means, how do you divide that word? You can divide that the word, the middle of the consonant, double consonant. You can use the symbol slash the between the two consonants. My dear students, you want to be understand? How do you divide this word rabbit? R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Okay, rabbit. The two consonants having the between place means you can divide between the two consonants. Okay, in this same method, we want to see another some examples. Puppet. The PP is a consonant, so you can divide puppet. P-U-P-P-T, puppet. Then button. B-U-T-T-O-N, button. T-T is a consonant, the double consonant. Okay, next rubber. B-B is a consonant, so you can divide rubber. R-U-B-B-R, rubber. Next kitten. K-T-T-N, kitten. T-T is a consonant, the double consonant, so you can divide between the consonants. Okay, next in this word rabbit, the consonant B in the middle is double, so we divide the double B as rabbit. So my dear students, another one time I want to be remaining this exercise. First you can understand the vowel letter, then you can understand the consonant letter. You can use the vowels and the consonants. When you use this syllable, you want to be focus the vowel letters and the consonant letters. Okay, so what is meant by syllable? We divide the words, pronounce them easier. Easier ஒரு word pronounce பண்ணனா அந்த wordக்கான syllables find out பண்ணணும். Each and every words having same syllable? No. The words having different syllable. Okay, next only one vowel letter means that word not divided. The consonant letters are double means you can use the syllable between the consonant letters. Next we can see tips 3. If there is a consonant between the two vowels, then after the first vowel. So what is this meaning? For example, we want to take one word, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. So this G is a consonant. Okay, this consonant, the consonant G is அது ரெண்டு vowelsக்கு நடுவுல I is a vowel letter, E is a vowel letter. So ரெண்டு vowelsக்கு நடுவுல ஒரு consonant வந்ததுனா how can we divide the syllable? Then after the first vowel, we want to be divide after the first vowel. First vowel அப்புறம் நம்ம divide பண்ணனும். First vowel is a I, second vowel is a E. So we want to be divide this word after the first vowel. ரெண்டு vowelக்கு நடுவுல ஒரு consonant letter வரும்போது நம்ம எப்படி divide பண்ணனும்னா first vowelக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம அந்த word divide பண்ணனும். For another one example, fever. F-E-V-E-R. V is a consonant between the two vowels. So you can divide the word after the first vowel. So like this. F-E-V-E-R, fever. Okay, then radar. So E, double vowel letters between one consonant having D. So we want to be divide R-E-D-A-R. Radar. Okay. Tiger, fever, radar. In these words, tiger, the consonant G is between the vowels I and E. So we divide after first vowel as tiger. That when the vowel ku nadu or consonant vanda, we want to be divide that the word after the first vowel. My dear students, you can understand this very well. Yes. Go to next, last one tips. Tips 4. If a word ends with the LE preceded by a consonant, we divide before that consonant sound. For example, turtle. The word ending with the LE. Before that one consonant letter is having T. The LE is a consonant letter T. So in this method of words, how can we divide these words? We want to divide before that the consonant letter. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. LE முன்னாடி ஒரு கான்சனன்ட் இருக்குல்ல, அந்த கான்சனன்ட்க்கு முன்னாடி தான் நம்ம அந்த வேர்டை டிவைட் பண்ணணும், பிரிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. Then handle, H-A-N-D-L-E, handle, L-E, the word ending with L-E, before that one consonant D having, so we want to be divided before that the consonant D. Handle, handle. Okay, next, circle, the word ending with the L-E, before that one consonant letter having So we want to be divide before that the consonant letter C. Circle, circle. Then table, table. The word ending with LE. Before the consonant letter having, so we want to be divide before that the consonant. Consonant க்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம அந்த word divide பண்ணனும். Table, table. Okay. Turtle, handle, circle, table. So my dear student, you want to be understand this very well. LE ல அந்த word முடிஞ்சா அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு consonant letter இருக்கும். அந்த consonant letter முன்னாடி தான் நம்ம அந்த word வந்து divide பண்ணனும், syllable பிரிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? Next, divide the given words. Next exercise, divide the given words. Dog. Already I taught you this dog has only one vowel, so we don't divide this word dog. Okay, we don't divide this word dog. Then button, button, B-U-T-T-O-N, button. This word double consonant. Already I told you the word between double consonant means we want to be divided the word between the double consonant. அது எப்படி பிரிக்கணும், ஒரு வேர்ட் வந்து டபுள் கான்சனன்ட்ல இருந்தா the double consonant நடுவுல தான் நம்ம பிரிக்கணும். ஓகே, button. ஓகே, next sunset, sunset. So the word sunset. Next, sky blue. How do you divide this word sky blue? Next, kitten. How do you divide this word kitten? Next, turtle. How do you divide this word turtle? T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. Go to next exercise. Write the word under the correct group and divide it. Some of the words given for you. So, the words after that, one tabular column is given in your book. First, you want to be read, you want to be understand this all the words. Next, you want to be divide in the correct group of words. Okay, wow. Muffin. How do you divide this? The muffin by double consonant. So you can divide the word between double consonants. Then purple, P-U-R-P-L, purple. The word ending with the L-E. So you can divide before the consonant P. Okay, wow. Then muffin. Then purple, P-U-R-P-L, purple. Then ramen. How do you divide this word? The two vowels between one consonant. Our first vowel we want to be divide this word. Ramen. Then cow. Cow has only one vowel, so you don't divide this word. Then next, dinner. The double consonant. So between double consonant you can divide. Then marble. M-A-R-B-L. The word ending with L-Y, so you can divide marble. Okay, next. Man has only one vowel, so you don't divide this word. Then tennis, the double consonant. Between double consonant you can't divide. Then dog has only one vowel, so you don't divide this. Then sample, the word ending with ly, so before the consonant you can't divide. Recent, the double vowels between one consonant, so you can divide after the first vowel. Next, hotel, the double vowel between one consonant, so you can divide after the first vowel. Then table, the word ending with le, so you can divide before the consonant. Then hammer, double consonant between the double consonant. Boy has only one vowel, so you don't divide this vowel. So my dear students, I remind the all down syllables, 4 types. Once again, you can understand very well. First one type is one word having only one vowel means you don't divide that word. ஒரு வேர்ட்ல வந்து ஒரே ஒரு வவல் லெட்டர் இருந்தா அது வந்து நம்ம இந்த சிலபல்ஸ் பிரிக்க கூடாது, அப்படியே தான் வச்சுக்கணும். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட், one word having the two double consonants in the middle. ரெண்டு கான்சனன்ட் லெட்டர் வந்து மிடில்ல இருந்தா how can we divide that word? அந்த ரெண்டு கான்சனன்ட்ஸ்க்கு நடுவுல அந்த வேர்டை டிவைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? another one type, the word have two vowels between one consonant. ரெண்டு vowelsக்கு நடுவுல ஒரு கான்சனன்ட் இருந்தா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் vowelக்கு பக்கத்துல நம்ம அந்த வேர்டை டிவைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் லாஸ்ட் ஒன் டைப், இந்த வேர்ட் வந்து le ல முடிஞ்சா அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு கான்சனன்ட் லெட்டர் இருக்கும். இந்த கான்சனன்ட் லெட்டருக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம அந்த வேர்டை டிவைட் பண்ணணும். I hope all understand this exercise very well. Next we come to this tabular column in your homework. Okay, wow. This cat is a first type of syllabus. rabbit is the second type of syllables, tiger is the third type, turtle is the fourth type. Already I taught you some of the words. You can skip all the one words in this box. Thank you.